Hello everyone, good day. Welcome again to our personal development session with Ma'am Neri. For today's video, we have Personal Development Module 25, Plan on how to make the family members firmer and gentler with each other. For more videos on personal development and other related lessons, please check my YouTube channel. Let's start. After going through this module, you are expected to 1. Identify the different types of relationships and their respective roles in the family. 2. Describe the ways of a firmer and gentler relationship with the members of the family. 3. Create a plan on how to have firmer and gentler relationships among the family members. Let us test your knowledge on these three types of tests. Test 1. Write check if the statement is true and write X if the statement is false. 1. Family relationships are not significant relationships in society. 2. A firm and gentle relationship in the family is a relationship that stands through the test of time. 3. Family members performing their basic roles helps promote good relationships. 4. The sibling relationship is the connection between or among the brothers or sisters in the family. 5. The parent-child relationship is the intimate connection between husband and wife or cohabitation partner. 6. Encouragement to do better in the family destroys the trust of each other. Test 2. Matching type. Match column A with column B, write the letter of your answer on a separate sheet of paper. Test 3. Multiple choice. Choose the best answer. Write a letter of your answer on a separate sheet of paper. 11. Which of the following characteristics promotes firmer family relationships? A. Having time together. B. Loving and forgiving each other. C. Trusting the different members of the family. D. All of the above. 12. Who among them destroys the relationships in the family? A. Peter helped solve the problems of his sister. B. Rex lied to his parents about his performance in school. C. Leah expressed her gratitude to her mother for cooking her food. D. Jean forgave her brother who had offended her by yelling at her. 13. Which situation builds better relationships? A. The mother shows favoritism to the youngest child in the family. B. Joe envies the youngest child since he is the favorite of the family. C. Liza accepts the fact that her family is not perfect, but she's learning from their mistakes. D. The father makes every decision in the family. 14. Which situation promotes respect for the members of the family? A. Gina listens to the concerns of her younger siblings. B. Ruel asks permission from his mother to leave the house. C. Chris returns the cell phone he borrowed from her sister. D. All of the above. 15. Which of the following makes firmer and gentler relationships? A. Belief in God of love, hope, and justice as a central part of the relationship. B. Belief in one's achievement and accomplishment. C. The financial aspect is focused on decisions and actions. D. Family problems are being solved alone. A relationship is essential in our lives as social beings. From the previous module, you traced the relationship through a genogram that made you realize the traits and health situation of your family. This module covers the different relationships and responsibilities among members of the family and a description of a healthy family relationship. The expected task in this lesson is to create a plan on how to have firmer and gentler relationships among members of the family. You need to accomplish the following activities to help you reach the objectives of this module. Let us check your learnings from your previous lesson by doing the activity below. Test I directions. On a separate sheet of paper, draw the symbol used for different members/situations of the family in your genogram. Test 2. Arrange the steps in making a family genogram in proper order by writing A to E. 11. Know your reason for making a genogram to help you determine the type of family information you want to indicate. 12. Formulate questions to relatives to solicit family information. 13. Write down notes indicating how everyone in your family is connected. 14. Decide the number of generations that you wanted to include in your genogram. 15. Draw your genogram starting with the oldest down to the latest generation. Learning the skill, describing the characteristics of the family. Activity 1. Word search. Find 5 characteristics of a strong relationship in the family. Write a brief description of each characteristic. Family relationships are meaningful relationships in life and society. It is the basic relationship people have in life since birth, especially of children born in a biological family. They play a vital role in shaping and developing an individual's well-being throughout his/her life. Let us identify the types of family relationships and their respective roles in the family. Types of family relationships. 1. Couple relationship is an intimate connection between partners as husband and wife or two people living together through marriage or by cohabitation, live-in partner. 2. Parent-child relationship is the connection between parents to the child/children, either biological or adopted. 3. Sibling relationship is the connection between or among the brothers or sisters in the family. 4. Extended family relationship refers to the connection between the nuclear family and other family members like aunts, uncles, grandparents, cousins, and other relatives. Family members and their roles. In the chart are the different members and their respective roles in the family. 1. The couple provides the needs of each other physically, emotionally, financially, etc. 2. Parents are the provider of the basic needs of the family such as food, clothes, shelter, education, safety needs, love, acceptance, and care. 3. Children honor and obey their parents, respect each other, help with household chores, study, etc. 4. Siblings assist in taking care of the needs of the siblings, while younger siblings should listen and learn from them. 5. Extended members may extend support to the unmet needs of the family, like the grandparents taking care of grandchildren, giving advice to the members of the family if necessary. What are the roles to be played in your family? As a member of the family, how could you promote firmer/stronger and gentler relationships in your family? Let's look at some ways for establishing healthier relationships in the family. What is a firmer and gentler family relationship? It is a relationship that makes the family stronger amid the difficulties and crises they are experiencing. Struggles and difficult times brought them closer together, as they learned to be respectful, patient, kind, and tender to each other because they are one as a family. It is like a strong tree that can always stand still in the face of different storms passing through it. Here are the ways on how to make family members firmer and gentler with each other. Foster unity. There is unity in the family despite the differences in personalities and characteristics of each member by doing their specific roles in the family. Promote unity in the family by building a bond among the members. Involve each other. Every member of the family is important. Include them in significant decision-making in family life. Next, respect individuality. Give higher regard by appreciating the uniqueness of every member of the family, knowing that everyone has their identity, strengths, and weaknesses. Respect can be earned without comparing one another. An example is by asking permission whenever one needs another member's belongings. Model the behavior. Everyone in the family could be a model for each other. Modeling behavior is setting yourself as an example that is worth following to other members of the family. Explain expectations and consequences. Let every family member understand what is expected of them as to their responsibility. Along with this, consequences must be clarified, so they will also know their accountability. Reward good behavior. A reward is an excellent motivation for any family member, so they can keep on doing what is good and right. Always look at the positive behavior rather than focusing and nagging about other family members' failures. Give love and forgiveness. We all need love, but we also need to give love. Love is the core of relationships to make it stronger and better. When there is love, there is also forgiveness, for they go hand in hand together. Express gratitude. Support one another by giving positive words and expressing gratitude. Communicate with constructive words and affirmation. Nurture trust. A trusting relationship promotes dignity and integrity in the relationship. When trust is present, it challenges the person to do better because others are depending on him or her. Take time together. Spending time together helps to know each other better and promotes authentic and stronger relationships. Pray, play, eat, solve problems together, etc. Listen attentively. Give your attention to the one who has concerns. It enables you to understand the motives, feelings, and ideas of others. The deeper the understanding between each family member, the stronger the family is. Ensure safety. It is within the family that members should feel safe and secure. Be sure that no abuses and domestic violence are happening among the members of the family. Do not put your family in danger. Remember God. Acknowledge God as the source, great provider, and the center of the relationship. The God of love, peace, and justice is with us always. If God is the center of the relationships, you will do everything that is pleasing both to God and others. Pray always. Prayer is a necessary ingredient in relationships. Seek strength and help from God in all circumstances. A family that prays together stays stronger. Learn good communication. Good communication promotes knowledge and understanding of the situation in the family. Good. Communication uses I messages expressing one's concerns and feelings, not blaming and condemning others. Accept failures. Nobody is perfect, everyone makes mistakes. Acceptance of one's failure gives room for learning and improvement in your relationship. Nourish each other. To nourish is to provide the necessary things needed in the family. Nourish the family with kindness and gentleness. Stop being rude or harsh toward each other. Serve one another. Serving one another is treating everyone as important to you. When everyone is serving each other, the burden of the family becomes lighter. Why is it important to have a firmer and gentler relationship in the family? A good family relationship creates a transformative society because whatever happens in the family impacts society. When the family has a firmer and gentler relationship, it becomes easier to reach dreams and goals, it's easier to have a healthy and happy life. The family then becomes fruitful in any endeavor. With all these, the God of love, peace, and justice is honored. Let us have another activity. Activity 1. Understanding the characteristics of relationships. Directions: read and analyze the situation below. Answer the questions that follow. Joel is the eldest child in the family. His family is having a hard life since his father is a construction worker with no permanent job, and his mother works at home to take care of them. Joel has 5 siblings of 3 sisters and 2 brothers. As the eldest, he felt the burden of helping to meet the needs of his family. When he was in junior high school, he took a part-time job after class, in order to have an additional income to support the needs of his family. He did it with permission from his parents and started to work as a ballot vendor in the neighborhood until he earned money to finance his own studies. Through ballot selling, he was able to provide some of their needs including school allowances. Joel's parents are proud and happy about his effort in helping them, and they always encourage him to do his best in his studies. His other siblings are helping with the household chores and also in the assignment of his younger siblings, for they are looking forward to a better future. Process questions. 1. What is the story all about? 2. What are the characteristics of the people involved in the story? 3. How did the story describe a firmer relationship among the family members? Activity 2. Creating a mind map. Create a mind map showing how to have a firmer and gentler relationship in the family. To help you in creating this mind map, you may refer to the rubrics found after the additional activities. Sample mind map is done for you. Process questions. 1. How did you find the activity? 2. What have you learned from doing the activity? 3. How did the activity help you realize your relationship in the family? Hello everyone, good day. Welcome again to our personal development session with Ma'am Neri. For today's video, we have Personal Development Module 25, Plan on how to make the family members firmer and gentler with each other. For more videos on personal development and other related lessons, please check my YouTube channel. Let's start. What I can do. Activity 1. Directions. This activity shows a plan to have a firmer and gentler relationship within the family. Make an activity plan using the acronym of your name, first or last name. Example, Becca. Process questions. 1. What have you observed from the activity? 2. What did you feel while doing the activity? 3. How could this activity help build a firm relationship with your family? Assessment. Test 1. Write fact if the statement is true and write bluff if the statement is false. 1. Love is one of the essential ingredients to have firmer/stronger and gentler relationships. 2. It is important to work on communicating our feelings properly in relationships. 3. Judging one another makes family relationships stronger. 4. Performing everyone's role and responsibilities help the family relationship better. 5. The loving relationship of the couple promotes the security and safety of the children. 6. A healthy family relationship destroys the stability of society. 7. Envying each other builds the relationship stronger. Test 2. Choose the best answer and write the letter of your answer in your paper. 8. What relationship is an intimate connection between partners as husband and wife or two people living together through the bond of marriage or by cohabitation? Live-in partner. A. Couple. B. Parent-child. C. Sibling. D. Extended family. 9. Which of the following destroys good family relationships? A. Appreciating the efforts of the members. B. Comparing the siblings with the other. C. Giving reward to good behavior. D. Praying together. 10. Which of the following shows that they have a firm family relationship? A. Mother takes care of the children's need. B. Father works to support their living. C. Children obey their parents. D. All of the above. 11. Which of the following shows gentle relationships? A. Brother are bullying each other. B. Mother yells to the children. C. Anna comforts her sister who was hurt by her peers. D. Father demands service from the wife. 12. Which of the family shows a firmer relationship? A. Janice's family members are doing things in their own way. B. Joshua's family sets expectations and consequences for their actions. C. Alex's family does not talk with each other. D. Julie's family fights over every little matter. 13. How can we have a healthy, strong, and gentle relationship? A. By having bonding time together with the family. B. By doing our roles and responsibilities. C. By accepting the mistakes and learning to forgive. D. All of the above. 14. Why do we need to have a firmer and gentler relationship in the family? 1. To honor God and live harmoniously with each other. 2. To bring good transformation in society. 3. To become famous in the society. A. Statement 1-3, B. Statement 1-2, C. Statement 1-2, 3, D. Statement 2-3, 15. Karen was offended because her parents always compare her with her siblings that they are better than her. What should Karen do? A. She should talk to her mother about how she felt about it. B. She should fight her siblings. C. She should keep. Additional activities. Choose only one activity to answer. Activity 1. Interview a friend, through video call, phone call, text, or messenger chat, about the qualities of a strong and gentle relationship they have in their family. Write your learnings and realizations in your journal. Activity 2. A. Identify the weak characteristics of your family. B. Write on your paper the characteristics in which you wanted to improve in your relationships within your family, and indicate the activities, persons involved, frequency, and outcomes. Here are the key to corrections. Thank you, my dear students. I hope you have learned a lot from our video today. Watch out for our next video, Module 26, Factors Influence Career Planning and Decision Making. If you have something in mind you want to be clarified in personal development for grade 11 or grade 12, please feel free to comment down in the comment section. Again, this is Ma'am Neri saying, Mabuhay.